She was absolutely ecstatic when she found out that she won the $500 contest at work. On today's lesson, I am going to teach you the meaning of the word ecstatic. I'm going to give you some example sentences on how you can use this word, and I'm also going to give you some opposites of the word. Now, to be ecstatic simply means to be extremely happy, overjoyed about something that you have heard or something that has taken place. So, for instance, you may say he was ecstatic when he heard that he got the promotion from his job. Or you may say she was absolutely ecstatic when her husband showed up to work to take her out for lunch. So again, the word ecstatic means to be extremely happy, overjoyed, or excited. Now, when it comes to opposites of the word ecstatic, you would use words like unhappy, depressed, or disheartened. Okay, so practice this word and use it in your English conversations, as it will increase your vocabulary. Now, before I get out of here, let me say I was ecstatic when I saw what the weather would be for today. You know, the last time I did an episode, I believe it was in the low 30s. And here we are a couple of days later, and now it is 70 degrees. This is fall where I am. It can be cold one day, and then the next day it's almost like spring weather. So I am ecstatic. I don't have my hat on. I still have my sunglasses on, but I love this type weather. If it can stay between 60 and 70 degrees, I love it. As you can hear in the background, you probably hear the dogs barking. There were some birds out earlier. One of my neighbors, they breed hound dogs, and they bark all the time. And I'm not ecstatic when they are barking at 2 o'clock in the morning. Usually they're barking because there may be an animal in the area, such as a deer or fox or a possum. And so that usually happens here all the time. Now, another reason I am ecstatic, I got to meet one of my subscribers who is from Russia. And so I would say bless up to you. Thank you for leaving comments and supporting both of the channels. I am so ecstatic when you guys leave me comments and let me know where you're from, as well as how the lessons are a help to you. As always, if you enjoyed my content, share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and give me a like, as that will help the channel. And I'll be sharing with you some news in the near future on how you can get more personal videos and messages from me. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Be sure to join me on my next video. My name is Jay, and I hope you have a wonderful day.